Hello and welcome to another video. In one of my very oldest videos I unwrapped one of these Maxell XL-II MD80 Pros and we took a look at those, and today I want to have a look at these XL-II MD74s, not the Pros, and see if I can figure out what the difference is. So first of all, let's have a look at the packaging and see if we can see any difference there. Slightly darker oranges, more orange on this one. Not a lot else is different. The back is very similar. The barcode numbers are on the Pros 445362 and on the non-Pro is 445331, so that indicates this one, the 74, is earlier. Now, with this being a digital format, the actual quality of the recording is exactly the same. It's going to be either it can read it or it can't read it, and it seems to be flawless to me, every recording I've made. So let's go ahead and open one of these up. So there's the reference for the MD80 Pro. Nice little opening tab there. So I've just grabbed the inlay card. That's the new one for the 80 Pro, and that's the 74. Have a look and see if there's any difference in these. No, it doesn't look like it. So let's have a look at the labels. Doesn't appear to be any difference in those either. So these disc boxes just open like that. So let's have a look at the disc boxes next. So this one is the 74. We'll put that on top because it's a lower number. And there's a difference there in the box. And that side looks to be the same. Other than that, I can't see any difference. That one's scratched already. I don't know whether you can see that. Other than that, they look identical. So it's just these little clip inserts, and these inserts, what they're for is there's a notch on the back of the disc just there, and when you put it into the mini disc case, you can see it better on the bottom. That just little plastic clip deforms as you push the disc in, and then pops back out to hold it in that notch. So let's have a look at the discs, and straight away you might notice that the 80 Pro is a transparent disc and the 74 non-Pro is non-transparent. Now I don't have an 80 non-Pro, nor do I have a 74 Pro, but I wonder whether, having seen these, I wonder whether the 74 came out first and the 80 was rebadged as Pro for no particular reason. So essentially they're the same. They look like the same mould, but just a different material, but there is a moulding mark on there. Now there are earlier versions of the 74 discs. There's this one which is a coloured one. There's lots of coloured ones, and there's that one which is very similar, but that one is transparent, like that one. Same moulding marks. I don't have one of these that I can open, a brand new one. So that's a bit weird. So we've got the XL-80 Pro, which is transparent, and just a not an XL, just a MD74, which is transparent, and the XL-II, which is not transparent. So let's have a look and see if we can see from the disc inside what the difference is. Now that flap still feels a bit plasticky, to be honest. So looking at that one, that's not the XL. It's a bit dusty in there, isn't it? Let's compare these two side by side if we can. It's quite difficult to tell. Let me check off camera. Now I've had a good look. This one, the XL-II Pro, has some writing on the disc there. But there's no such writing on the 74. But as far as I can tell, the discs inside look the same. I can't really tell what the difference is between the 80 Pro and the 74 non-Pro version. So if you do, or if you can guess, please leave a comment. So to help fund purchases of more mini discs to do videos on, I'm going to be selling off some spare unopened mini discs on eBay. So please check the link in the description where you'll find the link to my eBay account, and hopefully you'll find something you like there. You can also, if you want to, make a direct donation, one-off or monthly, to PayPal if you're enjoying the videos and you want to help fund future purchases. I would appreciate it. Thanks very much.